Hello, how we doing today? February, the month of love and friendship. Did you know that without love, no resilience? No love, no resilience. Love, love, love. Resilience, resilience, resilience. Yes, you need love. Because your heart can only be either in love, in a state of love, or in fear. Fear, anxiety, preoccupation, anger goes and the pillar or the foundation of your resilience. So you want to try to keep yourself in a state of love. And we're not talking about romantic love. We're talking about that state where you feel centered and open to the world. Because when you live in fear, you live with an armor. And when you're with an armor, you're not very flexible. So life comes and hits you pretty hard. While when there's resilience, you may avoid it. When there's love, you may avoid it. So love, I'm talking about the fact when you have a fight with someone, if you're in a state of love, you're trying to understand what the other person is telling you. Where in the state of fear, you just want to hurt the person. It doesn't matter what the person is trying to tell you. Even if the person says that she's sorry, you don't give a, you just want to hit back in some way. So what we want to try to cultivate, it's love. It's having an open heart, open to the world, to yourself. Because when you're in love, you're also going to forgive yourself instead of saying, you're so stupid, you're never going to make it. You're going to be your first and best supporter. So open heart, strong back. Strong back, why? Because life will throw things at you. But if you have a strong back, you know you're going to make it. You keep that heart open. And you keep the love flowing. Much love to you. Ciao.